we are here at the Festival of Igbo Arts and Culture, and you can hear the sound of the singing. There's a lot of atmosphere here. I can see a lot of Igbo people enjoying themselves. It's really a wonderful day, and I've got here with me Maazi Okoli. Thank you very much, the coordinator of this wonderful event. Can you tell us about this day and what it's all about?
The concept was developed in 2012, and when I moved into the UK, I looked around and we had no festival where our children can begin to appreciate our culture and the uniqueness of Igbo-ness in us.
Yes.
And what used to happen was that they had Igbo festivals, Igbo Day, in halls and at night.
Yes.
And our children were not part and parcel of. So we looked at it, we said we need to develop a program that will integrate our children for them to appreciate who we are and begin to key into the Igbo-ness that makes us unique. And that's how we came up with the name Igbo Festival of Arts and Culture. It's a day that we're supposed to celebrate our, the culture of Igbo land, look at our cultural artifacts, our language, appreciate our history and our heritage as a people, and let other people appreciate us and see what is unique in us and why we are different from any other ethnic group.
As we are live from Edmonton at the Igbo Festival of Arts and Culture, and I have the pleasure right now of speaking with one of the organizers, Miss Princess Ifem Enwerem. So can you tell us about this wonderful day? I've just spoken with one of the principal organizers, Maazi
Okoli.
And I'm now speaking with you. Tell us about this day and why it's important and how you got involved and how we get Igbo people excited about this day.
Okay. Fortunately, because I do the Igbo African radio, and what it is, it's about promoting our Igbo culture and the language as well. So we looked at it, myself and Maazi Okoli and some other facilitators, and we said, why should we allow our culture to just disappear? And why should we allow the language disappear as well? Our children in the UK and in abroad, all over the world, do not speak the language. So we just decided to make sure that this come to life.
And how about you, young lady?
To me, it's like a gigantic get-together with lots of people, and it explores the arts and cultures of Igbo and dances. It also means a lot to you because I'm an Igbo person, and it...
Carry on.
It also means a lot to me because I'm an Igbo person, and I see so many people that are just like me around me, and I just feel happy that there are so many people of my kind.
Yes, people of your kind, people like yourself. So working together with people of your kind and learning. Well, your parents, I put my hands up to them, they're doing very well. So thank you very much. Continue to enjoy the day. And maybe before you go, you might even pick up one word of Igbo. Listen out. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Bye. 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 Bye.